Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. I know some people have wanted to see more haul videos of the stuff that I'm buying, not just the sales. So I figured I'd show you guys kind of what we're doing. Just got off work, changed clothes, and I'm ready now to take some pictures and list all the stuff behind me. So wanted to show you guys. Also have my shirt my sister got me. It says Dad Bod, so shout out to her because she got me this. Wanted to make sure I knew that I had the body of a dad, so obviously a little bit of chunk in the stomach area. So super kind of her, appreciate that. But I want to show you guys, so we'll jump right in and let's take a look at what we got. Hey everyone, here's the items that I'm getting ready to list. Kind of a whole variety of stuff from garage sales, a couple thrift store items, just a random mix. Most of this I have not even looked up yet, so you're getting a first glance before I've done any of my research. Just wanted to show you guys, like I said, I know some people have asked to see more of this type of stuff just to see what I'm buying, and I just have gotten away from it, so I'll try to do a better job. First off, though, Paradise Found. There's the brand. Size is a large. This is like the Magnum PI style shirt. This one's actually cotton, though. The other ones I think I had were silk. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've sold two of these before, the same exact style of shirt. Usually I get 25 to 35 bucks. So this one will do pretty well. It did have a stain here in the beginning. Washed it out. It came out nicely. Looks pretty good, so I think we'll do well on that. I think I paid $4 or $5. This came out of, a lot of this stuff came out of a big lot I paid $100 from my storage unit guy. I always have to pay up on stuff, but I think we'll still do well. Here's some Nike SBs, skateboarding type style of shoe. You kind of see the pretty ugly color pattern in my opinion, they need to be cleaned up, but overall, I mean, there are some markings, but they still got enough life that someone would buy them. Comes with the box. They're a size, what, a 10? Yeah. Blazer premiums. I'm not sure what they're worth, but they were part of that deal. Here's a P90X, was $4. It's actually missing one disc, but I still think I can get about 25 for it, so that's pretty good. Under Armour hoodie here, $3. At this new thrift store I found. Prices were super low there. The size is large, but it looks super cool with the two-tone, so I think we'll do okay on that. I know I said I'm not buying too much clothes, but I still end up buying them. Golden State Warriors. What, does it have a year? Probably right there, but I can't see it. The brand is Logo 7, size extra large, but I think is that a youth extra large? Yeah, a youth extra large. It's got some staining here, but I'm going to try to get it cleaned up. I think it'll wash out. And if not, I'll still want to get it listed pretty soon. The Warriors are in the playoffs. It's time to get this up. You know, maybe someone will want it for their kid that's going to a game or something like that. So, Cincinnati Reds, 92 Russell Athletic. Just kind of a plain print shirt, nothing on the back. This came out of that $100 lot as well. So did the Golden State thing. Size extra large. Got some cracking here to the graphic. But overall, I think, maybe 15 or 20 bucks on that. This was also out of the same lot. It's a Nike jacket. It's a size extra large. Maybe you guys can see that, maybe not. It's got the little pouch there on the back. It's got a hood on it too. It's got a small Nike spelled. It'd be great if it was just like a huge Nike on the back spelled out, but this one should do pretty well. It's vented in the back, so I imagine 30 bucks or so, maybe more. We'll see. This was Dallas Cowboys, kind of like a crew neck. It's got a huge spell all the way across the sleeves. I'm a Cowboys fan. That's the hat I'm wearing right now. If you guys saw earlier, well, I guess you can't. Maybe it doesn't say Cowboys. I don't know, but super big Cowboys fan. It's a Cliff Angle. Look up this his name. He makes some crazy sweaters that do really good if you can find certain ones. This is just a regular crew neck. It's got a couple of small little marks on it, but I'll get it listed. Cowboys are always super big following for them, so I think I paid $6. I imagine at least 25. Maybe I'll probably list it for like 45 or best offer and try to get like 35 for it, maybe 30. So pretty cool. This is from the $100 buy. This is one of my favorite finds of that group. It is a Freeze. Kind of like an Acme. It's got the little Tiny Toons on here. There's the little bugs. Daffy Duck. I guess that'd be Lola. I don't know. Little Taz. It's crazy. It's got a date 94 Warner Brothers. If you guys watch Rally Roots, super great channel. Most of you probably would know about them because they're way more popular than like my channel. But This is something I would see Ryan wearing. He likes the kind of that vintage clothing. He's super big on that. So it's got some standing. It's far from perfect. You can see this is supposed to be all white, and it's more of like a yuck white. It's like gray. It's got stains on it, but I had to throw it in. I imagine there's someone who will want this. I saw some listed for I think like $40 or something. I would think it'd be worth more than that, but and that might be what it's going for, but still worth it. Glad to pick it up. There is a graphic on the back too, and it says Bouncing to the Tunes 94. So super cool. Happy with that. A couple little small things. A lot of people overlook them. This is a little Franklin Webster like dictionary thing. This one's only worth like $10, but a lot of these Franklin spelling aces and Spanish dictionary ones actually do pretty well. So look out for them. Usually you can get them for cheap. This one was only a quarter. It was half off at the estate sale. And sometimes you can get $20, $18, and they ship first class. Little Sony recorder here. I've had bad luck with these lately. The past two I bought did not work. So this one looks pretty good. Battery's dead, but it also came with a bunch of tapes. So we'll put that all together if it works. Hopefully we'll get $30 for it, 25. I have no idea what this is worth. This is a AC/DC 8-track stereo cassette. I don't know. I just found it at the sale, threw it in the box. So it is in here. It definitely looks like it was used, but maybe it's worth something. Moving on, Machiavelli branded jeans. They are brand new, but there is some wear to the tag up here, but they have the original tag down here. Size 36, 34. Threw those in the $100 lot. I imagine $30 on those, maybe more, but who knows. This was cool. As you can see, $195 on eBay. You're not going to get that on eBay unless you can, like, it's refurbished or something. But this was at an estate sale. I really like this estate sale. Their prices are usually good. They had it at $50, but it was half off, so $25. I picked it up. This is the Polaroid SX70 brown leather camera. Kind of see what it looks like. It actually has a leather case that goes with it, that if you have that, you're even better off. But on this one, I would imagine I can probably get at least 75 for it, which 25 to 75 is not crazy, but there's still money to be made, and I might even list it a little bit higher, like 90 shipped, and be able to make a few more dollars. It is in really good shape considering. So there are a couple different models, like a white one, a black one, I think. So look out for these. Most of the time they want you to pay a lot. Maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hold it up too. We'll get this dumb sticker off there. So this is what it looks like if you ever see it kind of out in the wild. Something that looks like this. You'll want to pick it up because it is a camera. You pull out, where is it? Right here. And then you pull out from here too. I can't really do it with one hand, but if you keep pulling, it'll pop up again like I had it. So look out for these. Pretty good money there. 3 yearbooks. I don't always pick up yearbooks anymore, but I just threw them in the lot for $100. Like I said, this guy just make a big pile and then he puts a price on it. So I also got video game stuff and a lot of other stuff that's not here that's already been listed. But I don't know what we'll get. Usually I list my yearbooks high, like 40 or $50 each. Put a best offer on them, and if someone comes through at like 25 or more, they usually get it. So I don't plan to keep them. Sometimes yearbooks can be good. These are all Mystic Maze from the 50s. A lot of signatures, which is what people sometimes want, and they want famous people. Or it's like someone who went to that school, or like a historian or something from that town might want it. So we'll see about those. This is a drill charger here, a rigid one. Didn't look up the model, just threw it in the pile for $100. It's definitely beat up, but usually these things clean up nicely and they are pretty resilient. I've sold probably 40 drill chargers, I don't know, 30 to 40 drill chargers so far since I've been doing eBay, and I've had one return that it didn't work. I don't have a battery for it, so I'll plug it in, just make sure it seems to be okay, and then I'll list it. Like I said, one I got returned, I just ate that, and the rest have all gone through, no issues. And then lastly, at least for right now, these are the Nashua FD1 diskettes. They're both brand new sealed. Have no idea if they're worth anything. Again, they're brand new. Just threw them in the box, and we'll see what we can do. So the stuff I didn't know, don't be mad at me if it's not worth anything. We don't know. Sometimes we take chances. At the sale, like I said, I can't look up everything. Some things I will look up if he's got high prices on, and I got to verify. But if I'm just throwing a bunch of crap in a box, Usually I just try to factor out like the shoes and some of the stuff I know that's worth something, and then hope that I'll get lucky on some of the other stuff. Plus, if you're looking on my phone the whole time, the guy will like follow me around, and I'll be like, "Oh, what did you make on that? You know, how much are you gonna make?" And then I have to kind of give him a price, or he'll look it up himself. So sometimes it's better not to look stuff up and just throw it in the box, and then show up when I'm ready to buy everything, and ask him what he wants for the whole box, so he's not looking up every individual piece. So that's it, guys. Probably the best thing is the SX70 price wise, and that Tiny Toon things is pretty legit too. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll try to get more content out with more hauls. Take care.